Welcome to this quick guide to the OpenAI Partner Learning Portal. Let's get started. Start by going to the OpenAI Partner Network and select the options. Follow the registration steps to create your account. Log into the Partner Portal using your registered account. Once authenticated, you will arrive at the partner environment. Explore Agora to see the resources and information. Review the latest announcements and newly available assets to keep up with OpenAI's partner resources and updates. Use the menu to navigate to the content you need. Select the relevant area and search for specific learning resources or other partner content. Explore PartnerU to assess its available learning experience. Complete your PartnerU registration by following the prompts on screen. Once registered, you can proceed to the available learning content. Use the AI-assisted learning capability to interact with the learning experience. Follow the prompts and provide the information needed to make the experience relevant to your learning needs. Create a learning plan with AI by describing what you want to learn, an outcome you are working towards. Review the suggested plan and use it as a starting point for your learning journey. Practice through a role play with agentic AI. Follow the scenario and interact with the AI to apply what you are learning in the simulated situation. Set up an authenticator when prompted. This additional authentication step will be required for future logins to the portal. Thanks for watching and happy learning!